looking at my shit like, oh, look at him. Oh, what I got that shit. Oh, what I got that shit. Oh, what I got that shit.
You ain't what I'm pressing the big.
M3,
you gotta read that bitch.
It's been stocked though.
It don't even matter.
It's been stocked.
It don't even matter.
It ain't even got it. This bitch stocked. Oh, look at everybody. Look at my shit. I got oil. Oh, he shitting on me. He shitting on me. My shit stocked. This shit making all types of popping sounds and shit. Park this bitch, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate it. Oh yeah, car niggas spoke on my shit. It's that sport mode right now. I'm gonna park my shit right here. Blow my shit. Yeah. Ain't lie. Where the fuck Monte going? He's scared in the bitch. Where the fuck you going? Huh? Are you moving? What the fuck he got going on, this fat ass nigga? Fuck this fat ass nigga on. He trying to take a picture of my shit? Yeah. Yo, look at it. Oh my granny. You wanna take a picture of my shit? That's how I know I'm calm. Hold on, I'm gonna get out. That's how I know I'm calm. They wanna take a picture of my shit. They wanna take a picture of my shit, chat. Oh my god, look, that's how you know I'm calm. Yeah. Woo! Where, boss? I love my shit. My shit wider than bitch. I ain't gonna lie, my shit got orange, chat. My shit got orange. Yeah, my shit got orange. Hey, Monte, where Monte go?
Follow our base?
Huh?
Follow our base? You said car culture?
Nah, let me see. I'm gonna follow your shit. Monte! go-to.
Yeah, next time when I do another event, I'll have an event tomorrow. Bring your car, I'll put you in VIP.
I
You're
bet.
actually our colors.
Oh, good. Okay, bet. So, I be following you. I be streaming and shit. Yeah, I be streaming. Yeah. Y'all put this shit set. Where Vontae go? There you go. Yeah. Yeah, Vontae, we go back to back G80. There you go. Yo. Hey, look. What the older bitch?
I think I've seen you on YouTube before, bro.
TikTok shit, hell yeah. I be doing YouTube and shit.
That's so big right now.
Yeah, I'm streaming, hell yeah. Well, y'all gotta see the inside of this hole. Look.
Peanut butter good?
That's orange. That ain't peanut butter. That's orange. Oh no, orange.
The Indian lighting goes crazy.
Oh, good.
And they got the go yard in there.
Yeah.
And it's fun.
Yeah.
We gotta be y'all in a couple years.
Nah, but shit so. Go ahead. I just got this hoe.
That'd be sexy.
Nah, like a week ago. Bro, I just got this hoe.
Hell yeah.
Bro, no. He got like 30 cars. He got hella cars. He got a Lambo, he got a Hellcat, he got a M5.
Hey, what's up?
Come on, I said CG.
What? Oh my god.
Oh, the king.
Hey, we got more than you. I do got more than you on TikTok. Oh god. Hold on. We finna tell you this. Yo. Yeah. Hey, we gonna show you.
I'm trying to hit 100K. Go ahead.
Oh yeah. All right, this is. Hey, we building mine up right now, but I'm at 600.
It's on the way.
I'm at 600. Hey, couple years, remember us. Swear to God, we're gonna be the next. Gonna be the next y'all. I ain't nobody special. No. It don't matter. Yo, look at what you got. Hey, we gotta hurry up. We gotta.
How you pull up? They got this event, bro, over there. I don't know, the big nigga, the chubby nigga. He said they got another event tomorrow too.
You trying to hit that?
Yeah, we get that tomorrow.
I'm gonna come back. 10 it this time.
Got to.
I'm getting 10 it tomorrow.
10 mate.
Wait, it's probably gonna be tomorrow evening though. No, it's gonna be in the morning. It's gonna be in the morning.
10 make that shit look so much better, gang.
It do.
Yeah. Thing that I like. You ain't got no life. Cups with the ice, so we do this. loud as fuck. That shit overkill. That shit over. That shit too fucking loud. I ain't lie, chat. So after I do the stars and shit, I'm gonna do like the downpipe and tune, all that shit, like make my shit sound loud. After I get done with the stars and shit. I took the mic off because that shit was so loud. I took it off. That nigga Monte, I don't want to leave my shit. I'm paranoid. You walking around this bitch right now. Stand next to my shit. That shit cool as fuck though. They got hella cars. Windows down and shit. Nah, M3. Yeah, M3 competition. Interior? I got it. Yeah. Appreciate it.
You got like motion shit?
Yeah, the audio? Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it, gang. Hey, like my lights. Yeah, it's factory. Appreciate it.
This your car?
Yeah, this is my car.
Can I get in?
Yeah. This nigga's stupid, man.
Your homie?
Yeah, that's my homie. Oh, bro, he's stupid. Yeah, bro. This nigga's stupid.
My bad.
All right, man.
His dad. How much I owe you?
That's a band, bro.
A band?
That's a band, gang. That's a band.
No.
Just give me the change. Just give me the change. We good. Just give me the change. We good.
I can't even be around stuff like this. I could go to jail right now. I feel sick. Nothing illegal.
Yeah, this nigga stupid.
I didn't do it.
Nah, this shit look crazy. Back-to-back M3 competition. Nah, this actually tough. This tough as fuck. I can't believe this is my car, nigga. Like, this is my car. That's crazy as fuck. Hey, bro. I'm scared to leave my car. He bold as fuck. I like the headlights on the Kia though. Damn, I wish Mel would have still had his car, bro. Who'd have had 3 of them bitches? Oh, decent as fuck. What?
I need the red lights on my Hellcat.
Oh, God.
But I'm not trying to pay full price. I'm trying to get discounted price.
Hey, boy.
For free.
No pay, no get, boy. Full price. Y'all make sure y'all tax that nigga, man. Tax that. What you think about the Kia?
Oh, that's a car. That's a cool ass Kia.
Yeah, that hoe cool as fuck. I like that hoe tough. Oh, that's hard. That hoe cool as fuck. Yeah, carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Nah, she got money. She got money, I ain't gonna lie. She got carbon fiber everywhere on this thing. That shit model the fuck up. Front lip, hey, look. Front lip carbon fiber too. They just turning music off, bro.
We should have told them that we drive G80.
Yeah, no bullshit. That's what we should have did, right? Ain't lie, I think we got the best cars here. I think we got the best cars here.
I think so. Of course, I'm gonna say that.
Do we have the? Do we have the?
Wasn't in the G80, I would say the G80.
I think we got the most expensive cars here too.
I think the closest runner-up will be that big truck back there.
Yeah, the truck. You right.
That damn Denali,
That shit is high as fuck. No bullshit. This truck is high as hell. Nah, this shit is tough. Back to back G80. This shit tough. This shit tough as fuck. Some bike stuff too. Appreciate y'all.
The M3 or M4, either one.
Appreciate it, bro.
G80.
Yeah.
He said if you're on kick.
Yeah, I'm on kick.
You on kick?
Yeah.
Let me take your username. See, you're matching the over. Huh? You're matching the.
Oh yeah, the car. Yeah. shit loud as fuck. That shit loud as fuck. That shit loud. Oh, it's hot as fuck. Look at him, bro.
You finna go?
I don't know, shit. What else is there to do?
What is everything?
What the fuck? Man, what the fuck? It's essays out of this house. I like you want something to drink. Shorty like the way out for a side. Free breeze it out. She don't let the dogs out. She don't send no pussy cats up in the dog pound. Oh yeah, my phone real. Yeah, my pants are dirty. Where the fuck did Devontae at? It's time to go. Yeah.
We watching you.
Oh, y'all watching now? Oh, yeah, he tuned in. Nah, but shit's so real, nigga. Appreciate you, appreciate you. Man, wait. You see the interior? Yeah, look.
I got the same headlights on my car.
Yeah.
Let me show you. I have a Civic for now.
Real? Oh yeah. Shit, you go upgrade. I had a Nissan Altima before this.
I got one too.
Yeah.
2011.
I got 2008.
Shit, bro.
Come on, bro, now.
I just got them.
Oh,
April
yeah.
25th.
Oh, yeah, back. That's hard.
I did the CarPlay. I did that. I'm waiting for more shit to come from.
Oh, yeah. That's hard. That's hard. That's trim.
Yeah.
I should have put that in my Nissan.
You got TikTok?
Huh?
You got TikTok?
Yeah, I got TikTok. Right.
What is it?
C, G, E,
You said B?
E, yeah, that one. Yeah.
God damn, you show up with the first one?
Bro, no, yeah, bro.
Oh,
Appreciate
yeah,
you, bro.
bro.
Hey, I need to start posting. Nah, that's an M4.
Oh,
Yeah. Nah, appreciate it though. Yeah. Ain't gonna lie, I need to start posting more car content on my page.
Bro, you got to.
I know I don't be posting no car content yet on my TikTok.
We got you the photo.
Man,
Look at this.
Yeah, them bitches hard, huh? Yeah, them bitches are hard. Appreciate it. Oh, that's hard. Oh, yeah, I like that. Yeah, that's hard.
You can close the door with AI.
Nah, oh, that is true. AI, you can do
Yeah,
everything.
you can close the door.
That's tough, bro.
This shit is, they just look. Oh, these are the pictures that he takes.
Oh, yeah,
He
that's
takes
hard.
pictures and
That's
he posts
hard.
it.
I
He
like
posts
that.
it on Instagram and TikTok. He got a page too.
Oh, that's hard. Yeah, that's loud. That's type shit. Oh, them rims hard too. Them rims hard. Yeah, them rims hard. I fuck with that. That shit hard.
Nah, we like friends. We're car lovers.
Oh yeah,
That's all I
so,
gotta say. We're car
y'all be always be at car meets and shit. Yeah.
Every single car made on Houston car meets.
Yeah.
The Instagram.
Yeah.
Every single one. We on
Yeah,
it.
I'm from the top man on Instagram.
Oh, yeah, give me.
What's on Instagram, man?
Oh,
I'll follow you on
These hoes chase bread. Oh damn, she got a bird brain. Ain't nothing but trilling me. Oh man, silly.
You ready? Bet, sure. I'll follow you right now. Yeah, get your shit too. You ready? Bet. I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna go to a crawfish spot. You want?
Nice save, bro. Nice save, bro.
Is this over? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. We came together, bro. Just all right, buddy. So,
Good luck, bro. Thank you.
what's up? Appreciate y'all, bro. I'm gonna tap in with y'all on the ground.
Thank you, bro.
All right, bro. So, y'all be smooth. Hey, you want to get crawfish? You want to get crawfish? I'm gonna send it to you. Nah, it's closer though. Yeah, it's towards. You look gas. All right, man. This thing don't never eat, bro. This thing don't never eat, gang. Yeah, be on the way, bro. That shit that good, I ain't gonna lie.